Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to send videos on Discord. So guys, let's go to your Discord. Now select the person with whom you want to send videos. Now tap on the plus icon in the left side of corner lower part. Now select the video you want to send. Now just tap on send. So guys, as you can see, the video has been sent. So guys, that's it. That's how you can send videos on Discord very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.